Hey guys, welcome to a new devlog for QUACK-OUT. Over the past, I guess, month and a half or so that I've been uploading these, I've gotten a lot of love and support from you guys. So really appreciate all the comments and likes and the subscriptions. Everything matters, especially around an online game. So I really can't wait to put this in your hands. Um, Make sure that you guys follow my game on Godom.io with my promo page, which is linked to the description. It'll just ask you for your email. You just put that in, or you can also create a Godom.io account, and it's easy, very easy to do. Also, at the bottom of this page, I actually have a Discord link, and you can actually join my official Discord. So you're more than welcome to interact with each other there as well, or interact with me and ask questions there. And I also have that as my official place to report bugs. And there's going to be a dedicated channel for that. So please make use of that. I want to make sure that my game is nice and clean. Once again, we actually do have a public alpha coming out this month. As of the time I'm recording this is February still, but I do plan to in the next couple of weeks actually have a set date for this. I just need to finish up a couple more things, and now onto the meat of the video. So I have a new map for you guys. I didn't think I would actually try to make one of these, but I was inspired over the weekend, and I made a new map, and it's pretty cool, and fun to use. So I'll go ahead and get kicked off with that today. I've done a lot of new UI work on the game, as well as some more music tracks that I've added for some of the stages. So hopefully you'll get to listen to those in a second. Let me turn up the volume for you guys. There we go. All right, so I actually have this public server sort of browser as well, and so you'll be able to scroll through games and say if your friend hosts a public server and you know the name, you can filter it by that. So let's go ahead and get started and check out the new map. I call it Eruption, so because it's obviously volcano themed. But yeah, we have all these jump pads, and I want there to be as much flying around as possible. And here we go, going all the way around. Fun times. And there's these little cave tunnels on the side. And if you're in egg mode, you're going to take the most advantage of the speed boosts that are on the side, so just keep that in mind. And then, yep, it should be fun. Because these ones are at angles as well, you should be able to launch items in a unique way. So if I get a throwable item and I want to launch it over there, go boom, and then the bomb, detonates right in the air over here. So it should be pretty fun. Here's the new weapon that I had shown you guys a sneak peek before. Here it is in action. It's actually a raycast gun, which is my first raycast weapon. So that's kind of a brand new thing for me to program. So that was all cool. It just basically zaps enemies, and then yeah, you can it's a high precision weapon. So anyway, pretty much it for this map. I also worked on an observer mode, which I have not shown off in Showcase yet. So I'm going to show you that with dedicated server mode. I'll show off time zone with it. This one's a pretty good one to show off with it, but basically it would allow you to perform as an observer for any match if you wanted to, or just like have it running in the background to host a dedicated server match. And so you can fly around. and made sure to make all the looking smooth, very smooth, even with mouse controls. And so hopefully that'll help out with the motion sickness that some of you guys had pointed out in my previous devlog, so I'm sorry about that. But hopefully this will be used for any sort of tournaments that you guys might want to host, or and that will definitely help me when it comes to creating a trailer for this game. And I can't wait to do that with you guys. I'm planning to try to see if I can host one server dedicated, and then hopefully you guys can populate it, and then I can record some cool footage of you guys messing around. So that'll be fun. I also did one more thing that I wanted to show off, and That is actually touch controls. So I had talked about this a while back, that I wanted to make it available to play on mobile. So if I emulate touch in Godot, I should see that when I start back up and then start a match, you'll actually see touch controls, and I'll kind of show that off really quick. It's pretty basic to do. Because of the way I'm handling my input, where my input is actually basically my own script rather than Godot's input. I can basically configure that to be whatever I want. And so if we jump into rooftops here, we'll see that when I actually spawn in game, I'll have my own touch controls. There we go. So we got these touch controls. On the right side, it's just basically, your standard, you got your shoot button right there, and you can do strafing with it, or hold it down and then move. I got the aim button, it's toggle, same thing with the shell and glide. And then you can move all around like that. Got the jump button over there. Pause button works as you expect. You can discard an item, and then you can do the kick with that button over there. Yeah, overall it was pretty simple to code, so hopefully any guys that are on mobile that want to play, they now can. So anyway, so kind of my remaining items to do before I want before alpha is team preference. So basically, at the start of the match, where it's kind of like doing that rotating thing around the map, I want to make it so that you can either use the left or right input on the D-pad or with your A and D keys to kind of just like choose a team, and then when a team's filled up, it will stop you or stop other players from choosing that team or anything like that. Or if a spot opens up, it'll allow a player to move over. And that way you just have a little bit of team choice, and then if you don't choose a team, it'll just randomly assign you in the end to the team that has an available spot with less players. So yeah, that's kind of my goal. Once again, thank you guys for all the love and support. Make sure you actually check out the Discord, and then make sure to follow my game on Godot.io. We should have an official announcement of the actual public alpha date, the release date, but I can't wait for you guys to jump in and discover all the bugs that I missed. All right, you guys have a wonderful day.